Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. And the other day when I came home in my truck, I smelled some gas. When I got out on the driveway, you can see these lines here. That's gas all the way down the driveway there. And apparently I had a lot of gas coming out of here. And let me show you what it was. So yeah, took the bed off. There's plenty of videos about that. This is, I guess, the top of the fuel pump here. And this little spot right here, this little neck comes out and kind of curves and goes into here. Well, that was just, the side of that's all cracked up, and it was just misting and spraying gas everywhere. I mean, lots of it. So what I did, I went got some JB Weld marine type, which I don't know if that really mattered too much or not, but I figured gas is liquid, so why not? About the same price. So mixed a little up, and I coated this little neck here in the JB Weld. And I'm about to start it, and we'll see if that fixed our problem for now. And didn't, we're gonna have to replace this fuel tank here, or not fuel tank, the fuel pump. So let me start it up and we'll see what happens. Let's start it up, see if we're spraying. Look at that. That is awesome. Well, you know what they say, even a blind squirrel finds a nut, and a broke clock is right twice a day. The old school clocks, not the new digital ones necessarily. But that worked. So I think this is going to be a permanent fix. Yes and no. That part's going to be a lot stronger than it ever was before, because it's a lot thicker of a plastic wrapping on there now. And hopefully I'll get more life out of this. But now that I know how to take the bed of the truck off, it wasn't bad at all. 6 big bolts. The hardest part was getting the bolts to break free, because they do have some, was it the Loctite on there, and yeah, they'd been on there since the truck was made. So that was the hardest part of getting the bed off, really. And I got the tractor back there, as you can see, to lift it up. So if it happens again, or if this hose doesn't hold as long as I hope it does, because I'm gonna start it up and let it run a little longer, I'll pull the bed back off and replace that pump. So this will definitely get me through for now, and like I said, it may outlast the life of the pump now. But that's it. Just wanted to let everybody know this little fix, that it worked, and have a good one.